Good day all of you. Let's start the class with a prayer. O God, the origin of all knowledge, bless all of us so that we may learn our subjects better and do our duties well. Hi all of you. Welcome to the science class. Last week, ma'am didn't put any videos. The sixth chapter was over and I was giving the notes. I have given the notes and some workbook activities. Again, some more activities are pending that also we will do by this week. Yes, it was a very easy chapter, isn't it? About the plants. Again, we are coming to this next chapter, seventh chapter. It is about that we didn't come towards a term. That's a new term for you. That is matter. Have you heard about that? No. Now, before we come to that the term, we will look around your surroundings. Look the surroundings where you are seated. All the things what you can see there. What are things you can see there? Now, in front there is your mobile or your laptop or your tab, whatever it is, isn't it? Where do you keep it? You kept it on maybe you kept it on a table or on a teapot. Yes. Then there will be chair. If you are sitting in a hall, there will be chairs or sofa set. Then, anything else? There are many things around you, isn't it? Yes. Now look here on my table. You can see many things here. Can you see? There is a bottle. Yes. I kept a duster on my table. Then some books are there on my table. There are things. Now see, my table is little. Now congested, it's full of things here. Yes. Now if I take this, this I have kept here. It has occupied that space of the table, isn't it? I kept two bottles here, some glasses here. It is occupying the space. If I carry this, it is filled with water, but it has weight also, isn't it? Same way the duster. Does it have weight? Yes, it is also has its own weight. Okay, can you understand? Same way the phone. If you carry the phone in your hand, it is also having a slight weight, isn't it? So all these things, yes, all these things which are occupying the space where it is. Can you see the table or your phone now occupied the space of your table, or the chair occupied the space of your hall? Yes, those things which occupy the space and also have weight, those things are called as matter. It is known as the whatever thing it is. Now you will think only these things. But now I have said that in this bottle there is water. Now water, is it a matter? Can you tell it is a matter? Yes, I have said that the bottle is now it is very heavy now. Why? It is filled with water. If I pour the water out and the bottle is empty, will there be that much weight in for it? No. So what is it? Water is having weight and also it is occupying the space inside the bottle. So what we can tell? It also has weight and occupies the space, isn't it? So all the things which occupy space and has weight, they are known as the matter. So you can give many examples: your phone, your table, water. Then what is this? Oil. All these things, they have weight and also they are occupying the space. Understood? So that term, that is known as the matter. Is it clear? So if I ask you to define matter, you can write there anything. Substances, that any substances that has weight and occupies space. Any substance that has weight and occupies space is called matter. this will be the way you write the definitions. What is matter? You can give any substance which has weight and also it occupies space where it is. Then it is a matter. Understood? You can give all many examples. Even the water, we said. Then books, table, chair, whatever things around you, all those things are matter. Got it? Again we will say, now a thing we won't see here. We can't see. Now we said about the water, but if you do like this, you can feel it. What is it? What is it? Yes, that is air. We need air to breathe in, isn't it? That is, it is actually gas. It is air. It is not only one. It is a mixture of many gases. Which is a gas we are taking in? Oxygen. Like that, there is a mixture of gases, hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, all the gases together, it is air. Now, only here if there is air. No, this room or wherever you are, that room is filled up, that space or room or a hall, it is filled up with the gas. Okay, so that is also another matter because it also has weight. Now, if your mother will be using the cooking gas, the gas cylinder. You don't go and to take a look, but you won't be able to carry that cylinder or if there is gas in it because it will be very heavy. Instead, if you are taking the it is very easy to take the cylinder without any gas because gas also has weight. So we can give examples: air, this water, all those things are coming under matter. Yes, so that is the term matter. So you learned a new term today, that is matter means the substance that occupies space and has weight. Yes, now we have came to the matter. Now we are going to divide the matter into three types. There are different types of matter. We are going to classify them into three forms. Yes, now we can see, I said about this pen. It is a correct shape, good shape. You can understand it is a pen. Now if I keep it here, see, if I keep it here, is it running? No, it is there itself. It is not going anywhere, isn't it? Now then another one, it is having a definite shape. It's a duster. If I keep, it will be there. If I move from here to here only, it will move from that place. Yes. So there are things which won't move from one place to another. It has a definite shape. It also has weight. There are some things like that. Now another one we can take. What is it? There's a bottle. Okay, bottle. What is it actually? What is inside the bottle now? Water. Now I'm taking a glass. I'm not going to. Yes, glass. Now you can see the water there. In the bottle, what happened? The water had the shape of the bottle, isn't it? Now if I poured the water into the glass, what happened to that water? It took the shape of the glass, isn't it? So does the water has any any shape? No, it doesn't have any shape. If I pour this water here or anywhere, will the water stand there itself? Yes, the water now be there itself. If I tell it, will it be there itself like this duster? Have you seen? If you want to take some water and pour it in your on a tiles, will it be there itself? No, it will be flowing. It will be spreading. Isn't it? Isn't it? That is, it will move from one place to another, and it doesn't have any shape. It takes the shape of the container in which it is. If I pour this into another tumbler or any other plate, it will be in that plate, the shape of that plate. Yes. This is another form of matter, water, and also same way, oil. Yes, these all will come under one category that we will take. Okay, so the first one, matter, we are going to divide the matter into. Can I rub this? I'm going to rub it. The forms of matter. The first one, we said that there are some matters which have definite shape, proper shape. It will not move from one place to another. Yes, those kind of matter we call them as solids. What do we call them? They are called as solids. Clear? They are called as solids. Now I said I have poured this water from the bottle to the glass. It took the shape of the glass now, but it also has weight. And if I pour it out, what happens? It will be spreading. It will flow from that place, isn't it? And those kind of matter which does not have a proper shape, which will flow, move free, it can move from the one place. Those kind of matter we call them as the liquids. They are known as liquids. Clear? Okay, one more type is there. We can't see it. It will move freely wherever the space, it move freely, occupy the full space around it. We can feel it. We said it. What it is? It is the gases, that form of matter. We can't see it. It moves freely, very freely can move. If a small gas enough, we put it inside, it will occupy the whole space very fast. That kind of matter, they are known as the gases. Did you get it? So there are three forms of matter: solids, liquids and gases. Now can you give me examples for the solid which has definite shape? Many examples. Your table, your mobile phone, your laptop. So you can give me examples here. Solids. First we can take your chair. The thing with which I am writing, chalk, blackboard, all these are coming under the category of solids. Now what about the liquids? Best example is water. Then oil. Oil is another one. All this kind of coming under liquids. Then honey. There's lotions, medicines, syrups, all those things come under the liquids. Yes, gases, air, is the mixture of air, the carbon dioxide, oxygen, all those are coming under mixture of gases. It is air. You can tell in one word, air. Yes, all these are some examples for the solids, liquids and gases. Did you get it? Yes, so that is about today's class about the matter. Matter means what? Please, you have to copy down. I have written it. You please go back and just see matter. What was it? Any substance that has weight and occupies space is known as matter. Clear? Then there are three forms of matter. We are dividing matter into three types. Which are they? Solids, which have definite shape and will not move from one place to another without our permission, without we are doing it. Then liquids. Yes, it takes the shape of the container. It does not have a proper shape. It will flow easily, can flow very easily. Then the next one is gases. We can't see it, we can feel it, but it also fill up the empty space very fast. So these are the three forms of matter. And find 5 more examples for the solid, liquids and gases. So this is for today's class. Next class we will see about each one again, about the features of solids, the features of the liquids, the specialties of the gases. Okay, that is enough for you today. Thank you. Have a nice day.